Vintage and Veteran Aircraft Association was set up in 1973 by a small group of aircraft enthusiasts. They met as Sunderland Flying Club to exchange views and information. The name would eventually change to North East Aircraft Museum. The museum currently has over 30 aircraft. This museum doesn't only have planes, it's said to have ghosts, and has been investigated on numerous occasions by various paranormal investigation teams. I was to join the London Paranormal Society and haunted experience for my first ever investigation into the paranormal. And as I heard so much about this location, my expectations were high. Would I be let down? Or would the poltergeist go wild? Well, you'll find out when you watch this.
If you bang on something, bang on one of the planes, and you walk towards us. You hear that then?
Two great legs below,
yeah,
and then it's just below.
Just below and just to the right. Just below and just to the right.
I'll carry on calling out, Rob, if
I thought it was just my eyes when I was blinking, but when I look away I can't see it anymore.
any spirits wishing to communicate with us? Can you make a noise for us so as we know where you are? Can you come closer to the group and touch one of them? Got tapping on here now. Round here.
It's back down.
Any spirits in this area wishing to communicate with us? Somebody just take a photo and move that.
Yeah.
Just behind this plane that's in front of you. We're all here, aren't we? We're all in this group here, aren't we? There's nobody over there.
No, it's nice.
Any spirits in this area wishing to communicate with us?
Yeah, it was down at the front there.
If there's a spirit in this area, can you make another noise, please?
So if you have any noises out here, you should be able to hear. Okay. How's everybody feel?
That was a stone, guys, yeah? Right. It's going to be quite difficult, but I'm going to talk you through it, okay? For those of you that haven't opened up already, just imagine. I do feel like a bit of plane. Imagine what this noise would have been like in one of these planes. What can you say? Imagine from the soles of your feet. Do you know, I think we ought to go. Sorry to interrupt me. I think we need to go in the whole crew room, which we're at here on this level. Half of it, go and sit in there while we're near each other. Yeah? And we'll carry on. Yeah?
Thank you for playing Gillette.
Right, what I want to do is the same thing again, so let's just try.
You lads moving?
What?
I think it's us. No, there's the guys that are sitting around with stuff. I think that's the engine or tail or something, isn't it?
Augustus, bist du hier? Kannst du mit mir reden? Augustus.
So, if all else fails, start talking German. And if that fails, start insulting in German. Still, nothing happened.
There's somebody joined us here.
Okay.
Right?
Let's just see how cold this temperature can go. Can you ask him to make the temperature go down even lower?
I've got 13 degrees at the minute.
13.
Ein bisschen kalt hier. Kannst du kälter machen, bitte?
Easy.
Can we have
Kannst du
a
etwas
temperature
machen?
read? I'm actually shivering.
Kannst du
Still 13.
etwas machen?
So
Kannst du
13.
etwas werfen?
It's coming in both sides.
Kannst du ein Licht machen?
Can you say, is it possible to throw something?
I've just have.
You have.
Kannst du etwas werfen? Kannst du einen Stein finden?
Rob, add an owl to the end of it.
Sofort bitte. Jetzt sofort. Wir haben diesen Krieg gewonnen.
It sounds like somebody's got a right cop on that way. Oh, I struck him. Right at the top. I don't know if it's actual building that's squeaking and creaking.
And that brings us to the end of my first investigation. I had a few little light flickers, but other than that, nothing really happened as far as I'm concerned. You can read the full report on the Haunted Land website. Bye bye.